Eti jiwanio bo jiwanio bo afia son jiwani hwene subscribe ne share afia son jiwani hwene subscribe ne share the page no wa dance fa kira mansan the page no wa dance fa kira wadofo the page no wa dance fa kira wonamfofo nyina tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend share mama mansan ne bi hwe share page no and abrante ba kosma shama nipa 50 sinya min shiraw na me wo sha no won shiraw na me wo sha no won shiraw eti the page no wa dance mama nsan hu de ekọ ne de eba mama nsan hu sampa files no egu YouTube ko say TV mama nsan hu sa files ni nyina wo YouTube ko say TV tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend and maybe the files ba mbe bie files egu ho house of captain no ho asem abedia fatao asante kodoko coach ho asem wa asante kodoko coach say o show appreciation at the makodoko abusua to kwa na o reason here na aya asem bebre me de ho nsam na de bro what I say any other stories abrantality ade Richard Bodu agadas akasa for the first time ni nyina ye stories and memory me de ebro etihwe subscribe ne share subscribe ne share me more fake but me more authentic news me more exclusives me more news ayo koni de eba no ati ade na siye what I say etu wo de ni say wo be subscribe to the page wo be catch o mi aso mra me hwebi na bibia aso ntimi nkoso na bibia anye kama what in common ase na mentwentwen so sense we ya nwumre mentwentwen so we ya nwumre files na eba nwumre files na me de brew na ma me start from Carrara United and me say me more files Carrara United and o ma branch any team Eddie Jan for Sudarenten mo ka so mo ne kodoko obo no na ne din wo system no pa no wo bobo ye pa na dia ba ni se aka 6 days na contract na wu aka 6 days na the contract with Carrara United na awu aka just 6 days enti enuru 1 week mpo e less than 1 week na the contract with Carrara United na awu Carrara United abrantin wo jane na so pa but me nimu de enti a wo matena ho ama na bedu sabre me nimu de enti o matena ho ama na bedu sabre o ma ne contract no ewu eno dan chan the day you akwakoshia Samuel Etoface or Samuel Etoface akoshia the day you Samuel Etoface akoshia the day as you ewo kata na utim say yes e ma for sika kasa enkrofo ye fresh o hwe Xmas no say the omu si di no ho say the omu si oh my god enya sam ketwa kra say the me twen say me nua Richmond USA Richmond me twen call no o ti say any Bella Copenhagen me twen de o ti say di etienne no official pan so nkoma mo na me nam for mo Canada no o hemme mo me twen call no o ti say medical card say my number is 0247 412935 0247 412935 0247 412935 na adumana si na bibia ye kama etidi etien no na House of Folk captain anaso anwumre me tinsem bi na enya convincing me tinsem bi enya convincing me tinsem bi enya good news enya de papa ensem na me from House of Folk captain ne camp no enya sem papa. But before say ban o sha subscribe ne share ne di one dance na women's league no so koso ene Papia ladies wo mo ene ye Savannah abo awie na obo wie no Papia she Savannah e kamiensa Savannah ntumi antibi Maria Idrusu Shego Rashida Shahadu e she baako ena Amina Amadu e di baako kama ye miensa Maria Idrusu e she baako Rashida Shahadu eshe baako ena Amina Amadu eshe de baako ama ne miensa edi ma Papia for wo na last week an Roberts no kwatata wo no an Roberts no ko wu aka ni mu no e wo kwan no so nti wo mo ho nsem eno no ti me de ma na bibia so aye kama kama se de niema asiko ene se de enhye ni sitie me kwata chima wonders wo ma brante Aminu Adams ono na omo Tachima Wonders against Lagos City scoreboy ya police for chi no oni team manager Ernest Amo ye chi wo mro ko ya asem ne ko court no akra ne ka se omobo obiem o ka se bo omobo obiem bo atine ni so but empanyefo ne na kasa ama waje atumiti ne me no ka say Tachima Wonders team akodu akra no o ka ho Tachima Wonders womu team akodu akra china womu ni Great Olympics airborne akoda ni didi Aminu Adams eka team no ho eye good news so wasaba eye good news na adwen asesa but metu ni fo se eye akra ho na okohia na mane eye akra ho na okohia na nkwanhia against Lagos Cities enei echenya nkopo ya aduma eye the same akra against Great Olympics Dasuban Paidi na bibia anya kama enso ewo ho Dasuban Paidi na bibia nye din ewo ho etidi etie no Asante Kodo company for eye virtual seat no me pacho number ni ebia untimi ma wo se echina eye Boxing Day 26 tia ye bronya etimi ma Kodo company for munyi we na mo so mo fa ran club no eye 0549 765842 0549 765842 team ni nkoso ntina meye team ni nkoso House of Folk edi be tudwa meye cause two teams no edama koma so o se ye na Ghana football ye na Fatau captain edema House of Folk Fatau Mohammed one captain edema House of Folk na makwati se ne contract no on the 31st of this month na abana wiye 31st Friday mate o se me be ye sorry ni se House of Folk panyifa contact Fatau ebe so renew the contract no ema Fatau enso aka kire House of Folk company for say one ni manager ekwoti hu nkomo ontimi fa ne pe emesan but as at now omo responding to House of Folk omo ka be House of Folk na no na makwakoti say the contract no coming Friday na the contract aba na wie coming Friday na abrante de Fatau Mohammed captain e de House of Folk na the contract etimi aba na wie enti Friday 31st year Friday into first now what you say onye player from House of Folk now what you say we a free agent now what you say Fatau Mohammed House of Folk captain a free agent House of Folk captain Fatau now what you say a free agent asam na yedin e wo ho ti tie no House of Folk anumre se comment me de buy omni dream service abo 22 House of Folk ni dream service abo 22 Otia say Salim Adams oni a free year and a ball 2 goals no e de ma omo enye Salim na be say eye goal no equalize and de ma omo nka America House of Folk elusu game no oba ma no be boy say de Africa no omo ni Guinea fo ni airborne Kamsa fo ni airborne oba boss a goal no eno abi na no sa be ye panyan na atrana kasa na bibia ye kama Kumasi Asante Kodo head coach akasa na before se me buy no so no de tell say Richard Bodu agadas Richard Bodu di nsem bia tudwa na Richard Bodu akasa for the first time o say ewiase to help yourself no also utimi edi wo ho ansa so wo betimi aboa wo ho a also wo ankasa no odi wo ho o tia say also wo di wo ho ansa na watimi aboa wo ho so wo ne ho a wontimi moa wo ho ma ne nyeye because wo ne ho a de obeye bia emfa o tia say na eye de obetimi aye ye de obetimi aye na learn from your mistakes I know yes so be odi ababa tuda Richard Bodu enseme ne odi ababa tuda no say obetimi aye bibia obese o help yourself obese o boa wo ho a ade se wo de wo ho ade se wo de wo gise bibia de na akoma de ma na wotumi so wo gira wo na so ansa na watumi aye the best thing na obetimi aye ni say wankasa obedi wo ho ye odi wo ho ye a de obese wo ye no obetimi aye bet say wo ya under control de ni mabu ho obese wo ye a wontimi nye anu ye so de to dwa but be evidence say learn from your mistakes and for so be in the china and repeat the same for so and for so be in no tomorrow men repeat the same again now ye no men repeat me repeat na bibia anya kama enti abrante ne tin de Rachel Boadu Agadas ensem ne wode atudwa enso eno no na Ghana Premier League no ensem the fixtures na memma mo a ene House of Ni Dreams awie ekino bechem King Felsa referee Adali Latif Latif bedi Gold Stars any Carolina United ebebo Samu Otu beko akodi Brekum Chelsea ni Ice Gold Salom Yao Brest beko akodi Great Olympics any Wonders Abdul Latif Quadil any bedi week 10 asem ena mene wo kan Mediama ni Adriana Rastom Gamali Sonube any bedie Club ya Sante Kodoko big game tough game Sanse Razak Abeloa body attend a former club Coach Prosper Nate Ogum body attend a former club Razak Abeloa body attend a former club and a Coach Prosper Nate Ogum and so body attend a former club Kodoko against Wafa Benjamin Kesefa and the Wakuchina Kensin Aquakoti Shane subscribe in a share Shane subscribe in a share Komedachi TV and Dramede Cecilia Mafu Onaina DJ Kuachika Kra Onaina no Oshim Mike Frinko for them. I was stage live program no Oshim Mike and the Frinko for them on the Samidian Oshimiano a branch and your friend is Samidian Oshimiano and the hot Sami Bra Sami brother Sami and not Mamia Shimmy Mike a feeling them our live worship live program on air. Shim feeling sem ne bag you cry say ya brante yi tonuma hwi no age enu video dona and central for take on mamino suban no in central for take on mamino behavior no and na me dia to central for na blasting and central for na blasting mamino ye pa come for mamino ani agro kone ko hwe me da achi na subscribe na share hwe me da achi na subscribe na share me hwe me da achi subscribe na share na bibia anya kama e wo ho na the attorney say Coach Prosper Nate Ogum a China system okobono a 4141 system 4141 system Coach Prosper Nate Ogum a China a 4141 system and walk akobo against the former club 3 p.m. live baba me streaming live at the amount our page we are so go say TV a chama streaming no me nsa commentary triato commentary taichire din as usual tie nyina tina ya hwe wei ne ya hye na kire nyina sa abotwi abetina ho ne ya hwe na bibia ye kama Coach Prosper Nate Ogum squad kina wode ko park ni sunye 11 players have started game no ba bi ntuni a chia ba kakra ne Razak Abelowa ne Dalad because ebinu say se ma Dalad eda ebinu say se ma Dalad eda nti ho na possibility say bi a kina Dalad ebe start game no so about starting game no e wo so o sha subscribe na share Sharif Mohammed ebebo Moro Ibrahim and Patrick Asma ho aton but me sure say be prudent say player what na fe more than 1 month e ba ya no be start it possibility say Moro ebe starting the game e wo so and this Kojo Apo and Ishmael Ganiyu and this Kojo Apo ni Ishmael Ganiyu ebebo mo 4 and 5 no Mudasiru Richmond Lante, another player, and also Asima Bomu, Rachel Boadu Agadas Bebo, and the possibility say Fabio Gama, Ebesa started from bench, I was so. Fabio Gama, possibility so Ebesa started from bench, as I was so. Because Obebo, Rachel Boadu, Mudasiru, and a Richmond Lante, 4-3-3, no, 4-1-4-1, Obesana, and Babe 4-3-4-3, 4-3-3, 4-1-4-1, no, so Usisana, Ubrekina, as I 4-3-3. And uti possibility say Gama ebe started from bench no so ti be yebehu ebia Mudasiru Rachel Boadu your friend is say Richmond Lamte and then Mfegi now fe Stephen Amankura any Frontier bet Frontier enko na be ball ni mu ho Frontier enko na be lead the attack no na Amankura any your friend is saying George Mfegi awe drop and finfin aba be ka Mfimfin for no ye kwa attack no omko ye be defend ya no omo aba no ma be defend eti Mudasiru ba be gina ye friends Rachel Boadu Agadas ebe gina defenders nanim Rachel Boadu Agadas ebe gina center back no omo mienu anim say na onya 4-1 no ho o tese na enya 4-1 no ho na abrante ne tide Mudasiru Rachel Molamte George Mfege ɛna your friend is say amankona ɛso abegyam na fake Frank Thierry ɛso agyina wɔn ne ya benye 4141 eti ɛsesa na bɛyɛ 433 ɛsesa na bɛyɛ 433 I think say what ade na se nkecha system coach ne de ewura game no ɛkyina system ɔde kɔ eti back four no na Richard Bodu agyina wɔn anim na Milford's four no na abrante ne tide Frank Thierry ɛso agyina wɔn anim agronesi asɛm bi ani akyire bi na coach Prosper Nate Ogum hwɛ ne subscribe ne share no obi anya bi hwɛ share ne Facebook share ma onafofo no share ne Facebook share ma onafofo share ne Twitter share no Instagram share no Facebook share no WhatsApp groups ni share ma onafofo tell a friend to tell a friend so obi am hwe na Phyllis ni bu ha Phyllis no ha me na adaw me mom dia kwone dia ba what you say join abusua no subscribe na be join abusua no na bibia anya kama emfa ma Coach Prosper Nate Ogum Ojugu bye Ojugu bye Onko yo me wo abronko onko na wo oda kotokwa abusua na se Coach Prosper Nate Ogum da kotokwa abusua ase Coach Prosper Nate Ogum da kotokwa abusua ase oda board ase oda management ase oda players ase oda technical staff na ase oda medical team ase oda club legends no oda o ase old players oda o ase family and friends oda o nyina ase kotokwa supporters coach si oda ase kotokwa sponsors coach si oda ase Coach Prosper Nate Ogum da obi ase aseda ode ma mu nyina ne se mo support amana we ni coach of the month mo support no amana we ni coach of the month onim se obi a play key role ene wo mu ma ne timi nya asa aba support ye no eti wo little effort wo de boy ma ne timi achieve sa achievement no eno ho aseda ene ode ma on ne se bia woni kodoko apart ways na so wo kɔ ne ba bi o te hɔ o gina hɔ o ye adwuma onko ba bia oye adwuma onko ba bia eti de wan ya mana kɔ win award no eno ho aseda ene ode ma mo eti once again no happy Xmas enkoma mu nyina happy Xmas ekoma mu enjoy Xmas no mo Ghana mo wo abrochire mo tema Mr. Opoko adwuma wo tema MTN awopani big ups na minshro oti ase mo teshi honom mo nungwane ne important kan potem nyina Kumasi Ken USD for mu nyina afa abrochire US for de me ma asem de US Nyamishamu Canada, Nyamishamu Germany, Nyamishamu France, Nyamishamu Spain, Nyamishamu Belgium, Nyamishamu France, Nyamishamu Italy, Nyamishamu Munina, Nyamishamu Australia for menti obi an country Australia. Serious, but now no me check it. And your man so me use Australia for so mo hwepa. My number is 0247 412935. Australia for menti monka. Ebushan mo join it. 0247 412935 Australia for mama ntimonka abusuan mu wom na bibia anya kama anaji wo so nkayo anaji wo so mo ho ban erade abofo ntwa ho nhia nyame ya adoma akina yebesa de Phyllis aba yebesa de kodoko match we streaming live at media ma na bibia ya kama adom ne dom ya akina hwe ne subscribe ne share akire